This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with Essentials, a recent backup of files in the database and access to your hosting or FTP. Once done, log into /wp-admin and open Settings right arrow General. Make sure both WordPress address, URL, and site address, URL fields are visible. You will edit them. If you cannot access admin, connect via FTP now and be ready to edit WP config. PHP or functions. PHP. This step ensures you can reverse changes and prevents downtime while changing the site URL. You will now change the actual URLs and update references. In Settings, right arrow General, replace the old URL with the new domain for both fields, then save carefully. Next, run a serialization-aware search and replace on the database to update links and media. Use WP-CLI search replace or a trusted plugin. Once complete, go to Settings right arrow Permalinks and click Save Changes to rebuild rewrite rules. Make sure cached pages or CDN are cleared so the new URLs resolve correctly across the site. To finish, verify every major page, log in again, and click through menus, posts, and media. If assets or links still point to the old domain, rerun the serialization safe search replace and clear caches. If you get locked out, temporarily define WP Home and WP SiteURL in WP config. PHP to regain access. Once fixed, remove those lines. One key troubleshooting tip. If serialized data breaks, restore the database and use a serialization-aware tool. This prevents corrupted widgets and broken URLs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.